Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and weekly meal plan. Everything that you see here was literally probably around $90. We had to get a lot of stuff because we have 2 new recipes that are coming and we had to replenish a lot of our stuff. So we went to Sam's. As you can see, there's some bulk orders, and then we went to Walmart as we always do on Sunday. So first we're going to go with Sam's. So we needed some fruit, so I got some raspberries and there's some strawberries. We needed chicken, so we just got a big pack. It's cheaper at Sam's than it is at Walmart. We needed some more bacon, got some eggs, milk. We were craving something sweet, so we got some cookies. They were only $6 for a variety pack. Jared picked out these chips. He wanted the red quinoa chips and Doritos, and then I got some Cheetos just for work when I work late from 7A to 7P. So, and then we also have a pack of water that is not shown, but this is everything that we got at Sam's. Jared's was about $24, and then mine was about $38. So, moving along with the Walmart, we needed some bagels, heavy cream. Jared got me a drink. Jared got himself a Monster, as always. Liquid smoke for a recipe. This is the mesquite. We needed balsamic vinegar for a recipe, and I've never bought balsamic vinegar before, so we will figure that out. And if you have any recipes that requires balsamic vinegar, let me know, because I don't buy that stuff. Steak sauce, because Jared wanted to marinate his steak in this. We have all-purpose flour that we needed. This kind of pasta, never tried it, but we needed it for a recipe. Jared was waiting on me and he found some ice cream, so he wanted that. We needed some peas for a recipe, cheese, zucchini, avocado, cream cheese. Jared wanted his Colby cheese. We needed some lemon, an onion, we got garlic, and then we needed some jalapenos, which they actually look really good. And that is it. So my Walmart haul was about $12 and Jared's was about $22, I believe. So in all, it was roughly about $90 that we spent, but at least it's under $100. So here's the overview again of the Sam's and Walmart haul. And we're going to go straight into the weekly meal plan. So the 2 new recipes that we're going to go over is we're going to have mesquite grilled chicken with stuffed jalapeno peppers. Absolutely love making jalapeno peppers. And the mesquite grilled chicken is actually in the new Pioneer Woman book that Jared got me. Absolutely love Pioneer Woman. As I always say, she is my spirit animal. So we're having a mesquite grilled chicken, and it looks really good. We have one of these flat iron, the Pioneer Woman grill pans for the stove. So that is what we're going to have, and we're going to have some jalapeno stuffed peppers. And then Monday we're going to have steak, because we did not have that last week. So we're going to have steak with the bacon wrapped asparagus, and then we need to cook up some mushrooms. Tuesday we're having a new recipe. It's called creamy lemon pasta with pancetta and peas. Now I cannot find the pancetta. I'm going to go to Fresh Market on Tuesday when I'm off. See if they have it. If not, we'll just use bacon. But that is on page 181 in the new Pioneer Woman. And let me show you. So this is what it looks like. It's creamy lemon pasta with pancetta and peas. And that is on 181. Alright, and then we are going to have sticky pork belly with cauliflower rice, because we do have cauliflower rice that we really need to eat. So we're going to cook that up. Thursday's going to be leftovers, because I'm sure we will have leftovers. For sure. Besides the steak. Friday's going to be breakfast. And Saturday, it depends. We're off, so not sure if we're going to go out to eat, because we haven't done that in a while, or hang out with family, because it is a big Alabama versus LSU game. So we might go out to our family members or something. But yeah, so that is our recipes for this week. Once again, here is the overview of our Sam's and Walmart haul. And that is it, you guys. I hope y'all are having a great weekend. Hopefully y'all are ready to tackle this week. Make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know what you are going to be trying this week, and let me know about that balsamic vinegar, because I need some recipes on that, you guys. I really do, because I don't want it to go to waste. So without further ado, I will see you guys later and have a blessed day. Bye.